Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to make magnetic nails look the cutest, which is easy even for beginners. The popular magnetic nails are made by creating a gradation with the fine glittering particles, and they shine beautifully every time you move them, making your nails look longer and thinner. If you move the magnet in the way shown in this video, even beginners can easily make it, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Magnetic nails are a gel that has been very popular since its release. And you can move the glittering fine particles with the magnet, create your favorite pattern, and harden it with the light to create them. You can also create various patterns by moving the magnet and gathering the particles in different places. You can create diagonal lines, sun-like patterns, or even heart-shaped patterns by combining wires. Magnetic nails can be used to create a variety of patterns. But this time, I would like to introduce how to make magnetic nails that make your nails look the most beautiful. This design creates a gradation along the vertical lines at the edge of the nail using the glittering particles of the magnet. This design makes the nails look long and slender, and the gradation shines beautifully every time you move them. It's a simple design that is easy to make even for beginners, so why not give it a try? Okay, let's get started right away. Start with nail care. Lightly file the surface of the nails and remove any oil with ethanol. Then apply a base coat and cure it with the light. First, prepare your favorite magnetic gel. In this case, we will be using this gel. As the glittery particles in the magnet gel can sometimes sink to the bottom. So before applying the gel, roll it slowly and mix it. When you are ready, take some gel on the brush and spread it over the entire nail. Once you finish applying it over the entire nail, first harden it with the light without applying a magnet. For the second coat, take more gel than you did the first coat and spread it over the entire nail. Once you have spread it over the entire nail, prepare the magnet. There are various types of magnets for magnetic nail, including square ones, round stick types, and thin round magnets. In this article, we will introduce two methods using the most commonly available square magnets and round stick types. Let's start by looking at how to make it using a square magnet. Place the magnet about 3 cm away from the finger, parallel to your nail, and slowly move it closer. As you move it closer, the magnet particles will react to the magnet and start to move. Stop when the magnet is right next to your nail. The magnet particles are now in a straight line. Next, from this position, twist the magnet slightly upwards towards your nail. While looking at your nail from directly above, slowly tilt the magnet upwards. While moving it slowly, fine-tune the angle so that the right half of the nail is covered with a gradient of magnetic gel particles. This will spread out the particles that were previously lined up in a straight line, creating a gradient. When you have finished it, quickly remove the magnet from your nail. This is how you can easily create a magnetic gradient. Next, let's try making a gradient using a round stick magnet. As with the square magnet, hold the round magnet about 3 cm away from the finger and apply the magnet at a right angle to your nail. Slowly bring it closer to the side of the nail, and the magnetic gel particles will line up in a straight line. Next, tilt the magnet up at a 45-degree angle to the nail. While looking at the nail from directly above, tilt the magnet up slowly. While moving it slowly, adjust the angle so that the right half of the nail becomes a gradient. When you have created a gradient, stop here. Quickly remove the magnet from your nail. Now you have a beautiful magnetic gradient. Once you've finished, let it harden under a nail light. For the final touch, apply a non-wipe top coat. Once you've applied it all over, let it harden. And you are done. If you gather magnetic particles on one side of the nail to create a gradient, your nails will look slender and long, and you can maximize the beautiful shine of the magnetic nails. How did you like the introductions for making the cutest magnetic nails? You can make your nails look beautiful by creating a magnetic gradient vertically. If you move the magnets in the way shown in this video, you can recreate them as they are, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.